science, how do animals take in their food? With their? Okay. What do animals use to move? For the fish. Still in science, how many legs do insects have? Give me 2 examples. How about dog, cow, horse? Bird, pig, monkey. Lobster, shrimp, and crab. Arachnids. 2 examples. And okay. Next, what is the body covering of cow, bear, and dog? Or fur. Body covering of worm, leech, lizard. Turtle, crab, and lobster. Turtle, crab, and lobster. What is their body covering? How about fish? Birds. Very good. Okay. Now, what historical place is this? Next. In ethics, what is being greedy? Is it good to be greedy, Ethan? What is overdoing it? Is it good to overdo it? What is being forgetful? Is it good to be forgetful? What is whining? Is it good to whine? Okay, give me the first 5 of the 10 commandments.
You shall have no other except me. You shall not use the name of the Lord.
Not so fast. The third is
Faithful God, respected by the family or Sabbath day. Respect and love your father and your mother, and you shall not kill.
very good. The Bible says if you respect and love your father and your mother, you will stay longer on this earth. No? Love and respect your mommy and daddy. Okay. Next, in German, translate the following sentences with an I am happy. I am sad. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Okay, very perfect. Congratulations, Devin. Okay, in science, how do animals take in their food? With their? Okay, what do animals use